Okay, so today I'm talking about something for a kindergarten age, like sometimes below, sometimes above, depending on your child and what's going on with them. Curriculum. Okay, so it is a kindergarten age, we'll just call it kindergarten age curriculum for your pre-reading. So it goes along with the all about reading type thing, but really it can be a precursor for any language arts program. First, the product of the day. The product of the day is, check these out. These are yoga balls. Pardon my human body theater, but these are yoga balls, or dice. So you roll them. We do it at the end of morning basket, or we did for a while there. You roll them, and then you get to choose what position you want to do. If there's a plus, for example, so it has different things like a plus, a heart, a one, things like that, and they stand for different things. Like a plus, for example, would be like ask mom to choose one, which it's not, it's just that's what I made up. So point to one you want mom to do. So these are, so you could do the tree pose. So if your child cannot do a pose, he's got 3 options, or they have 3 options for them to do it. So it gets them into yoga, and then they hold it for say 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, depending on their age. Okay, so now that we covered that, let's get into the all about reading program. So first what it comes with is you're going to see a big alphabet poster. Okay, so take a look at the alphabet poster. Very nice, very thick. You know, you hang it up on your wall, da-da-da-da-da, because you're going to be referencing it a lot using bum-ba-ba, the alphabet song. Also comes with this, the all about reading box, which is empty, but which you are going to put in these cards. So these cards will be broken up, they're perforated, if that's the right word, and these cards, which are perforated as well. So you got lowercase, and one would assume uppercase, but maybe not. Okay, so then, and you will put them under phonogram cards and under word cards. All right, so now it also comes with the book of letters, and this is the teacher's manual. I like the teacher's manual because it's pretty simple. So let's go into lesson 1. Part 1, capital letters. So sing the alphabet song. Today's letter is A. Have your child find the A on the letter chart. Complete letter activities for A. So read the poem on A, letter 710 of the Zigzag Zebra. Oh, sorry, it came with a book. It came with a book, the Zigzag Zebra. Son of a gun, where's the book? Right here. The Zigzag Zebra. All right, so this is your rhyming book, right? Because they're also learning rhyming about that time. So A, the alligator makes all the critters afraid. His teeth bite hard and he crushes. Alas, do you think he brushes? So that's cute. A, alligator. All right, so you following me? Following me so far. So now let's go back to our book. What do we do next, you ask? Well, then we see if your child can locate the capital A in the text on page 10, which is in the Zigzag Zebra, and then have your child do the ABC craft sheet for capital letter A. All right, so that would be, one would assume, it doesn't say, but I think in your book of letters. Craft sheet instructions. Okay, A, it says you will need crayons, 2 googly eyes, use 2 different shades of green to color the alligator in the letter A, and then glue on googly eyes if you want for the alligator. So kind of cute, very simple, to the point, and you have discussed A. Again, see what I'm saying is you don't need this to teach those things, but if you wanted something really structured, then okay. It also comes with a puppet if you want, and the puppet is, I guess I'll show you. I didn't get the puppet because I thought, I don't know, I thought my kids were older and I was just gonna do it as a review in case they needed it, in case 2 of them needed it, and no one really needed it. Let's play a game together. I will point out a body part and you tell me what it is. If I say it wrong, tell me the wrong word. I think this is just so that they get to use, like, this is your holder. Wait, no, it's my shoulder. This is your land. No, it's my hand. So it's got some cute, fun games. Read aloud time, read a story or poem. So it is very structured. And so if that is your thing and that's what you'd like, then go ahead and go for it. We haven't gotten to how we use the letters yet, but I assume that is further on. So this is the craft book. It's all kind of the same if you see, and then I think when we get to the second part, when we get to the second part, it's a little more, there's a little bit more activities in it. The first part is just introduction to the alphabet, so you know, it's really good review, right? Because the first time you go through it once, capital A, and then you're going through So let's go lowercase h. So you're going to read Lizard Lou, which is the second book it comes with. The H, hat starts with H, horn starts with H, horse starts with H. So have your child do the ABC craft. Okay, now of course I passed it, but have your child find the H on the letter chart. So I guess it comes with a lower and an uppercase. Let's see, this must be the uppercase. I didn't use this, it's one of the ones I didn't use, but that I like. Yeah, these are the lowercase ones, okay? So it comes with 2. I just didn't use it because I didn't find that I needed it. Like I'll show you in the other video, in the kindergarten video that I'll attach at the end, I'll show you what I did instead. But still, this is very good. I mean, it's, take out the backpack sheet and the picture cards for lesson 34 from your activity box. Activity box, and then of course, these are, so see how they all have lessons corresponding to them? This is the same way too that the All About Reading works, but again, we use the All About Reading without doing this, so don't worry that you have to do this. Lesson 34. Geez, there's a lot. So 34 is like, I don't know, it's an overweight frog. I can't tell what's going on there. So make sure your child understands what each picture represents. So that's a log, a line, and tells you, and I appreciate that, a toad. So you never would have gotten that. I was like, heavy frog? No. Okay, so help Ziggy, which is the puppet again, choose the items that start with the sound of the L. So if you don't have the puppet, you might want to print off a picture of a zebra to just do the Z, because I think the puppet was $14, and I decided not to go with it. Help Ziggy choose the items that start with the letter L and put them on top of the backpack sheet, which I assume is in the book of letters. Or it might be in this book, but either way. If Ziggy put the wrong item in the backpack, the child should correct him. All right, then as you read a story, ask your child why a character acts a certain way. So for example, if you're reading Goldilocks, Three Bears, ask them why Goldilocks takes the porridge from the 3 bowls. If you're reading Aesop's Fables, ask why the fox gave up trying to get the grapes. If you're reading stories of Peter Rabbit, ask why Peter disobeyed his mother or wanted not to get into trouble. All right, so there you go. So you got some lesson samples from here. So you got to take a look at what this curriculum is all about. Again, I think it's a good curriculum. Let's look at this book just before we go. Let's take one more. Yeah, oh, these are just longer ones. Little longer poems, if you were, a collection of rhymes, old and new. So there you go. I hope that helps make your decision. Again, I will attach the best kindergarten curriculum, I think, at the end of this video. And you can take a look at that and see what you think. All right, we'll see you next time. Can you say, please like and subscribe?
Please like to like.
And hit the bell for notifications.
Hit the bell for notifications.